Do you ever find yourself scrolling through the internet, pondering about the miracles of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it could potentially simplify your life, especially your laborious homework duties? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm about to pull the curtain and reveal to you some of the most amazing AI websites that I believe every student ought to have at their fingertips. These websites are designed to transform your study sessions into even more enjoyable and thrilling experiences. They are your knight in shining armor, ready to rescue you when you're drowning in a sea of assignments or trying to decipher complicated concepts. With the help of these AI tools, you'll find studying less intimidating and more similar to an exciting exploration of knowledge. So, gear up. Together, we're about to embark on a remarkable journey to conquer the academic world in a way you've never experienced before. Before we dive into it, let's try to paint a vivid picture. Imagine being stuck in a deep, dark academic ocean of endless assignments, where every paper seems to push you deeper under the surface. Sounds familiar, right? Do you also find yourself burning the metaphorical midnight oil, trying to meet stringent deadlines or untangle complex topics? If so, believe me, you're not alone. There's also the often discussed Pandora's box of the student life, the seemingly insurmountable task of balancing your studies, part-time work, and maintaining a social life. It feels like you're being asked to perform the labors of Hercules sometimes, doesn't it? If right now you're vigorously nodding in agreement like a bobblehead, then hang in there, because guess what? I have some magical solutions that are primed and ready to transform your college life. So, what's the fallout of not addressing these formidable academic challenges? Regrettably, the consequences can be unpleasant. If you start slipping behind in class, that means losing grip on essential information. This overlooked information can come back to haunt you during crucial examinations or even in the pursuit of future, advanced courses. Furthermore, when stress levels begin to reach alarming heights, it can lead to that dreaded panic mode. This can quickly escalate to burnout and even impact your overall health. And those steadily declining grades? They can pose as serious roadblocks in your path to career success. So turning a blind eye on these academic hurdles is not an option. We've got to recognize and address these issues. Now, I'd like to introduce you to Alex, classic representation of numerous students out there. Alex was once in the same rickety boat, feeling overwhelmed with stress, spread paper thin across assignments and studies. Then one day, Alex discovered some AI websites which ignited such a transformative change that they could well be the characters of their own superhero graphic novel. With their aid, Alex transformed from a panic-stricken student into an academic powerhouse, acing every class with gusto. Wondering how your story could mirror Alex's? Wonder no more, because the secret lies in these revolutionary AI tools. 1. Grammarly. This AI-infused proofreading alchemist will catch your writing errors even before your professors lay their hands on your assignments. 2. Quizlet. Imagine flashcards so brilliantly designed by AI algorithms that they make your studying sessions swift, effective, and enjoyable. 3. Wolframalpha. This computational genie can solve those mind-boggling math problems faster than you can even say calculus. Or Scribbr. Ever caught in a citation whirlwind? Scribbr's auto-citation generator will be your lifesaver. 5. Notion. This is your all-inclusive academic hub, powered by smart organizational tools. Keep everything in check and at your disposal. These sites are not just useful, they're your academic avengers, ensuring you vanquish every academic challenge that comes your way. Try to envision this. Your academic life is transformed in a way that now leaves you ample time for hobbies, leisure, and for hanging out with friends without a heavy cloud of guilt looming above. What if consistently scoring great grades didn't automatically translate to exhaustive cramming session? Sounds too good to be true, isn't it? But hold on, this isn't a fantasy. It's your upcoming reality with these AI tools. With this virtual toolkit, you'll find your comprehension levels skyrocketing, your memory sharper, and assignments being completed with an efficiency you'd never thought possible. And there's more with reduced academic stress and pockets of free time. Be prepared to embrace a more balanced, serene lifestyle where you are not just surviving, but truly thriving. Hold on to your seats because it's now time for that much-awaited drumroll moment. I'm handing out an exclusive key to this trove of AI websites that have been meticulously tailored to cater to your academic needs. Worried about being technologically challenged? Fear not. These platforms are so user-friendly that even the most tech-averse among us can navigate them with ease. And that's not all. By clicking the link below, you'll open up a world of premium features and personalized support, designed specially to chart your journey of academic triumph. So, why delay? Follow the links listed in the description below to embark on your AI-enhanced academic journey. But don't keep this secret to yourself. Share it with your friends who could also use this academic turbocharge. Let's get ready to ace our studies together, one AI tool at a time.